The Army is looking to acquire 12 indigenous weapon locating radars, which would add significantly to its defenses along the China front. The system, called the Swati, enables soldiers to automatically detect the location from where enemy weapons like mortars, shells, and rockets are being fired up to a distance of 50 kilometers. The system is capable of simultaneously detecting multiple projectiles, which have been fired towards friendly positions. In all his previous media interactions, he had skipped mentioning procurement of the LCA-Mk2 due to a tug-of-war that has been going on within the Air Force, where one dominant section is supporting the MK program over the LCA-Mk2 program. But now, Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary, in an interview, has said that the Air Force is looking to augment its fighter fleet capabilities, with the induction of 83 Tejas Mk1A, a contract for which was signed last year, and plans to induct them from next year on track, and is fully backing the MK program, but for the interim period will also be procuring LCA-Mk2. This is possibly the first time Air Chief has spoken about IAF inducting LCA-Mk2 after he assumed office in September 2021. Keeping its focus firmly on securing the line of actual control in the Himalayas, the Ministry of Defense has asked for 500 specialized high-mobility vehicles for rapid deployment of troops. And also the ministry have asked for 700 units of protected mobility vehicles for the deployment at below 4,000-meter altitude. The MOD wants vehicles that can operate at heights of more than 17,000 feet in the Himalayas, and have protection against enemy fire, and are fitted with guns. The request for information, for the first stage of the tendering process, was issued yesterday, asking Indian vendors to respond. The RFI issued today is for Protected Mobility Vehicle, PMV. The MOD desires vehicles that can do some 80 km per hour, and can operate in temperatures between 40 degrees Celsius and -15 degrees Celsius. The vehicles should have 4x4 drive mode with automatic transmission, and should be able to carry a minimum of 10 troops with combat loads. In a demonstration of her precision strike capability from long standoff distances, India on Thursday successfully tested the extended-range BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from a Sukhoi 30 MKI fighter jet. This is the first time the new BrahMos missile with a strike range of over 450 kilometers has been tested from the air. The lethal Sukhoi BrahMos combination gives the IAF strategic reach and punch against land or sea targets over very long ranges. These air-to-ground BrahMos missiles can carry out pinpoint strikes on high-value military targets, underground nuclear bunkers, command and control centers, aircraft carriers and other warships on the high seas.